One of the easiest ways to improve navigation inside your virtual experience is by using quick links. Quick links create a permanent navigation menu that appears directly inside the Xperio3D viewer, allowing visitors to jump instantly to important locations throughout the tour. To begin, open the Quick Links tab in the editor on the left side of the screen. Next, launch the Matterport tour using the live preview window on the right. Simply walk through the tour and navigate to the location you'd like to add to your navigation menu. Create or select a category. In this example, we'll use the category Rooms. Once you've reached the desired viewpoint, click Capture. The editor automatically saves the exact Matterport camera position and adds it as a new quick link inside the selected category. You can rename the item at any time, organize your navigation structure, reorder menu entries with drag and drop, or move them between categories. When published, these quick links appear as a clean, permanent navigation menu inside the virtual tour. In this example, it's a permanent top menu bar, similar to the navigation found on modern websites, allowing visitors to move through your experience with a single click. In this menu structure, categories will be shown permanently, and when hovering, the quick link items appear. With quick links, even the largest Matterport tours become intuitive, structured, and easy to explore. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights, product updates, feature tutorials, and real-world examples of Xperio3D in action. If you have any questions, would like a personalized demo, or want to discuss your project, our team is always here to help. Visit Xperio3D.com or get in touch with us anytime. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.